I'm doing my iPad and Apple Pencil unboxing. Now, I have been saving up for over a year, and I was finally able to get my brand new iPad and Apple Pencil today at the Apple Store in Corte Madera. Okay, so first we are going to unbox. Give me the iPad. The iPad. And then we're gonna unbox the Apple Pencil. It's mine. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so we are back. I just wanted to show you exactly how I set this up, or not exactly how it's set up, but exactly how it is set up and what it looks like. So I just hit home, Touch ID, and here is my home screen. I have the dock, and so I'm just going to go here with my new Apple Pencil. I'm going to go to Numbers, which is Stocks. No, I don't want to go to that. I'm going to go to Pages. Let's go to Pages. Load, 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 load. What? I'm just, what? Seriously, pick it. Ella.
That's not me, it's Ella. Okay. Ooh.
Welcome to Pages. Create a document. Blank. Blank. Drawing. Wonder if I can draw. Can I draw? No, I can just do text.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, I can draw. Wait, no, I can't.
You have to hit plus and then.
Okay.
Maybe
Draw.
draw.
Yes.
Change the color, something prettier.
Okay, I'm done now. Okay. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe down below and don't forget to click that notification bell. Please like the video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Wait, Ella and I should each be holding a product.
Okay. And I'll be
wait,
like,
Ella, you gotta put it down.
So I'll be like iPad and Apple Pencil with my friends PK and Ella. Okay. Hey guys, and today I'm unboxing my Apple Pencil and iPad that I just got at the Apple Store like, how long ago? Like 30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 minutes ago. So
Just
here's,
got home.
this is Ella. And this is PK. And so here's how this video is gonna go. We are going to unbox the iPad. And
Why am I like sagging? I'm like.
now I have to restart.
Yeah, we have to restart. Okay.
All right. Okay. Hey guys, and today I am unboxing my brand new Apple Pencil and iPad. Now here okay. Okay.
I just died inside.
Hey guys, and today I.
Bonjour, my name is Big Gay. I'm Russian. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, no, let me go down this way, and I'll be like, no, okay, everybody lean down, so that we're not in frame. Okay, lean down more, PK. Okay, you're good, Ella. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
No, no, those English.
No, we just
Why
need
am I
to
so
say-
red?
We
Oh
just
my
need to. I'm
I
gonna.
know.
Okay. Oopsie, seriously, bitch.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, Ella. Okay, Ella,
No,
you're
I
good.
almost-
Don't kill my Apple Pencil. Okay, so we're
I almost
gonna,
fell
guys,
backwards
guys,
into the
listen to me.
trash.
So I say 3, 2, 1, and we all go up, and then I say, hey guys. Okay, ready?
Wait, we should all say hey, guys.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
guys! Ella, you cannot mess that up.
Oh, I hit my head.
Try
not to.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
fine. I need to scoop
Ready?
out.
Is everybody good?
Yep. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, guys!
I
showed the iPad. We can't do that.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, guys!
And today I am doing my Apple Pencil and iPad
I
unboxing.
held it up backwards.
Why do you keep wrecking things? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey guys!
My
And-
face is so red.
Okay.
Say.
2, 1.
Hey, guys!
Seriously?
Why am I so red? Hello.
Okay, can we just please do a regular intro now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll try.
We can't.
Hey guys, and today I am doing my iPad and Apple Pencil unboxing.
Well, let's try that again.
Okay.
Do that again.
We got it. That was cool.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, guys!
That was much more satisfying. This is so pretty.
Pull the tip off. The nib. No, not that part. The other part. Show 'em.
Okay, so this is where you charge it. And now let me just grab the adapter out of here. Don't grab the iPad
It
yet.
turned on.
No, turn it off. Turn it off. What are you doing? You're messing this up.
No, you're supposed to set it up. Are we
No.
gonna set it up on the video?
Well, once we get my dad after this, yeah. We're going to stop recording, and then we're going to... Ella!
And then we're gonna show them the all setup thing.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to edit this
Wait,
out.
edit
We
the
should
sound
like
out of
fast.
Shh. Ella, shut up. Okay, so here is the little adapter. So what you do is you take off the cap and you plug this into here, and then you plug it into the charger, and you can charge it via this, or you can charge it obviously through the iPad like that. Okay, so let me just unplug
Can I
this
pull this?
stuff. Yes, you can
Here's
satisfy.
the extra nib.
It just came out.
Dropped it.
And you
Oh,
dropped it,
That's
PK.
nice. You know what? It came out.
Okay. So
I
now
do
we are
that?
just gonna. What are you doing?
Putting the nib in.
No, this is a nib. That's an
No.
extra nib.
But it's smaller. Or it's the
They're
same
the
size.
same.
I knew that.
I think I'm gonna keep this just the way it is.
No.
Yes. Okay,
No.
well, I'm gonna edit some of it,
All
obviously.
of it.
Okay, so here's the nib. You just spin it off, and then that's the sensor under there. So here we go. We are going to set up this brand new iPad,
And connect it to the Apple Pencil.
and all that stuff, and then we were gonna show you a little demonstration.